the shapes in their correct slots. Now, parrots are intelligent and they can remember even the smallest detail. They typically feed on seeds, not fruits such as durian, rambutan, and papaya. And they also love corns. Alright, now shape bandits. And there you go, intelligent right, right paw from intelligent bird, bandits. Now guys, I have here an object which is a ball that I'm going to hide under one of this silver cup. So as you can see, they're all empty. Now, where do you want me to hide this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Left, right, middle. Again, left, right, middle. Left, right, middle. So let's put it right here. So now, let's call it our second bird, Goldie. Now guys, do you think Goldie has the ability to find that hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie! Alright, Goldie, find us that hidden object, please. Where can it be? Goldie's searching, scanning each cup, and there we go, she found it. A round of applause for a second bird, Goldie. So earlier we are showing our 3 different types of parrots. Now this time we're going to introduce you our different types of cockatoos. Now cockatoos are birds recognizable by their prominent crest and curved bills. So there are currently 21 living species of cockatoos all over the world. But here in Cebuocean Park we have 3. We have our Wilton cockatoo snow, our silver-crested cockatoo Queenie, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. So once again, a friendly reminder, if our trainers will roam around with the birds, please do not try to touch or reach our birds. So now let's call it Snow, Tweety, and Nigel. So there we trainer next, that is Snow, with trainer Mary, that is Tweety, and with trainer Vince, that is Nigel. So let's start. Now there we trainer Mary, in the middle is our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitat along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforests. Now these birds are primarily white with black beaks and a sulfur yellow crest. So trainer, please show them the crest. So that right there is called a crest. In science, the name is Cockatoo galerita. And up next there, trainer Vince, is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now umbrella cockatoos are also known as white cockatoos or great white crested cockatoos. That is because they're distinguishable among the other white cockatoos because of its holy white crest that raises up like an umbrella. That's why it's specifically called the umbrella cockatoos. Its scientific name is Cockatoa alba. So if you were to compare Tweety, our sulfur-crested cockatoo, from Nigel, our umbrella cockatoo, so clearly you can see that Tweety right there has a sulfur yellow crest. Meanwhile, Nigel up there, he has a pure white crest. So laki-laki na sila mga species. And lastly, there with trainer next is our Moluccan cockatoo snow. Scientific name is Cockatoa molossensis. Now these birds are endemic in the Sirap archipelago of eastern Indonesia. Those birds are also called salmon-crested cockatoos. That is because of their pinkish white colored feathers. So in general, cockatoos are birds that are very loud, as you can hear them, and they can mating. So for their lifespan, Tweety and Nigel, they can live up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, Snow up there, she can live up to 60 years old. And that is it for 3 different types of cockatoos here in Cebuocean Park. Once again, Snow are Moluccan cockatoo, Nigel are umbrella cockatoo, and Tweety are super crested cockatoo. Now guys, who here loves mathematics? You guys love math? No? How about the kids? Maybe? But I believe everyone loves addition, right? Well, our next featured bird will leave you most baffled and amazed, even us trainers. Now before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be asking you guys 2 numbers between 1 to 20. Any numbers between 1 to 20? 20, okay. So our first number is 20. How about our next number? 5. So our equation is 20 plus 5. Now we all know the answer, right? But before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Now quiet guys, okay, let's see if our great mathematician can really solve this equation. Now the numbers have been shuffled. Let's call in our great mathematician, Snow, up there. What a lovely entrance from Snow. So our equation here is 20 plus 5. And Snow, our equation is 20 plus 5. Alright, is Snow ready, trainer? Alright, so please solve the equation for us. And she picks the first number, number 2. So is the first number correct? Sure mo, again, is the first number correct? Alright, so complete your answer please up to the second number. Now our next featured birds are different among the parrots we showed you. These birds are called raptor or birds of prey. When I say raptor, it means to seize or to take by force. Now there are 446 different types of raptors, but here in Cebuocean Park we have 3. We have our brown kite named Kingdom, our Philippine serpent eagle named Freddy, and our white-bellied sea eagle named Aggie. So just a friendly reminder, if our birds or our raptors will fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab the bird, okay? And for those who have selfie sticks, please put down your selfie sticks for a while. And please vacate the center aisle. No one shall pass or sit on the center aisle. Ma'am, please put your baby.
Magi daw siya.
Hello?
Now, are you guys ready to see our raptors? Now, first off, let's call it our rabbit kite kingdom. Asia, Australia, and even here in the Philippines.
Wala mo dyan, no?
In Australia, they're called sea eagles.
Pas-pasoy.
Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Lawi or Banong in the Visayas region. And also guys, if familiar na siya ng eagle, that's because muna siya ma-eagle na sa logo sa Showy Kuya Kim na Matang Lawi. And that's it for Granite High Kingdom. Up next, let's call it our Philippine Serpent Eagle, Freddy. There you go, our Philippine Serpent Eagle, scientifically known as Enormous Holus eagles. Now these eagles can typically be found in the major islands of the Philippines. Philippine Serpent Eagles are characterized by its well-defined spots on its feathers. Now these birds usually prey on smaller birds, reptiles, rodents, snakes, and even fish. And that's it for our Philippine Serpent Eagle, Freddy. Now lastly, we're going to showcase you our largest raptor here in Cebuoceanpark. So again, may I request everybody to please settle down. Again, if this bird will fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab the bird. And please listen to the instructions of our trainer. Now guys, presenting our largest eagle here in Cebuoceanpark, our white-bellied sea eagle named Abby. There you go, our white-bellied sea eagle named Abby. Again, requesting everybody to please settle down. Now these eagles can usually be found in Borneo, Southeast Asia, and Australia. In Australia, they're known to be the second largest eagle. Again, sir, please settle down. Now these eagles have a characteristics of white color on its head and body, while a V-shaped gray color on its wings. Now these eagles can weigh up to 2 to 5 kilograms. And Abby right here already weighs 2 kilograms. Now in the world of birds of prey, female eagles are usually larger than the males. That is because of their rearing and nesting behavior. Trainer, they're wearing gloves that is called the falconry gauntlet. It is used to protect their arms from their sharp talons and beaks. Now these eagles have an excellent eyesight, which enables them to catch their prey from 30 to 100 miles per hour.